Ladies and gentlemen, we're back, and this time we're back with an even cooler alien kind of looking keyboard, the YUNZII AL65. Freaking beautiful. It's even got a little signature on it. Isn't that freaking cool? Look at the top of the box. Look at it. Yes. Let's get it unboxed. That's cool. I like that. I love this little YUNZII symbol, how shiny it is. I will, YUNZII. I will. You know, I love YUNZII, man. They're constantly sending me stuff. I think this is like my 4th or 5th YUNZII video. I freaking love YUNZII, dude. You guys are awesome. All right, nice laminated guide with the staples. Love that. Won't be needing that. We have our quick start guide, AL65, and we have our key combinations for everything. Sick. There she is, man. Look at it. Look at it. Look. Oh, they put the plastic cover on. Oh, they did a little plastic cover. Very cute. All right. Industry standard. Everybody keep up. Actually, YUNZII's better because they have this accessory box, which I just love so much. All right, we got some extra keycaps. More keycaps. One more thing in here. What is this? And... okay, so we got the accessories, cool, and we got a wrap like a little snack wrap. Let's go, baby. You know how we love to keep it fresh on this channel. There's a cord back here too. Oh my god. Get this box out of the way. Then we have your Type-C cable with a little cable tie included. Cute. Keycap switch puller. Cute. And we have our snap. Oh, it's heavy. I mean, it is aluminum. Oh, those clear keycaps are so cute. You could put like some cool like custom switches, have like a design or whatever, and then you could see them if you're into like modding keyboards or whatever. Are you guys into that, or are you just into buying keyboards? You guys are the modding community or just the buying community? I mean, this thing is just immaculate. Look at this. And the top. I bet there's an RGB strip in there. I bet that's the RGB. We'll do a little sound test real quick. Ooh. That's a satisfying click. That's some Gateron switches, man. They're so good, dude. I like this. It's nice and simple. You know, it's simple, nothing too crazy. You know, it's nice and slim. It'll fit on your desk, make it look cute. It's not anything like too over the top, but it's also showing people that you don't mess around and you got a good keyboard and you got style. What can we say about this? It's $129.99 on sale from $159.99. Comes in white or black. 2 different switch types. You got the YUNZII Milk V2 linear switch or the Gateron Zero linear switch. You already know I picked the Gaterons. What can I say? I'm a Gateron man for life. It's an aluminum keyboard with hollow design. You can use it for Windows and Mac. It's got tri-mode connectivity with the 8000 mAh battery, gasket mounted design with a hot-swappable PCB, and dynamic RGB lighting with transparent keycaps. I like it, man. Let's get it plugged in. Oh yeah, look at how the RGB goes through the keycaps like that. Oh yes, dude. Let's go, bro. Okay, I got it turned up all the way. Oh my god. There's a different lighting effects. It's very bright. YUNZII always does really good with the RGB. Their RGB is always so bright. Does it go around? It goes all the way around. Look, it shines out here and it goes in the front. It's a full 360. Wow. I thought that was clickbait. It's real. There's too many. I don't know what to choose. You know what? I don't even care if it's distracting. This is the one you guys are getting. I'm going to put this thing through its paces. Make sure my CPU is maxed out. As always, every keyboard video, max it all. Anyways, sounds awesome, looks awesome. Let's see if it feels awesome. Get some gaming in? All right.
3, 2, 1. Round 1.
This is your moment. Don't waste it. Eliminate every enemy player to win. Good kill.
Power weapon inbound. Guardian Angel. New power weapon in the arena. 1 enemy remaining.
Come on, help me. Get him. He has a split stream. Yes!
One enemy remaining. One enemy remaining. Close call.
Come on, yeah! One left, 5 seconds. Come on, man. Come on, 3, 2, 1. Come on! You're too trash. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Why you so trash? Come on, bro.
Round one.
Let's go!
Round win.
YouTuber unite. Yes, yes, he won it for the video. He knows what's at stake. Freaking YouTubers, man.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 2.
Hey, yo, bro. What's with the canceling?
Oh, well done.
Avenger. Double kill. Power weapon inbound.
Yeah!
And in the arena.
Teammate fucking crack, bro. Imagine being a YouTuber. I bet he's so good. I bet he's so good at this.
Last man standing.
Doesn't matter. Still won. Still won. And you're trash. And then you died. They're locking in. They're locking in.
Enemy remaining. Round 1.
No, I wanted the deadbolt. Let me have it.
One round at a time.
I wanted a 6 snipe. Okay, lock in. Now that it's dark, I can really focus.
2, 1. Match point.
Nice work.
Power weapon inbound.
Let's go. Somehow I'm alive. I don't get it.
New power weapon in the arena.
Get
Double
cooked.
kill. One enemy remaining.
Lies. There's more than one.
Heating up.
Did you hit me because you knew I was low? Did you? Be honest.
Last man standing.
Ah! I'm fighting for my life!
One enemy remaining.
Did we win? We won the whole thing?
Yes.
Let's go! Yeah! Yee!
Celebrate.
Woo! YouTubers unite! YouTube unite tube! Let's go! YUNZII, man. Yeah, boy. I'm out. Alright, I know it's kind of hard to see because the RGB is so freaking bright and it's like everywhere. I was cooking with this in Splitgate. It's awesome. It feels really good. It feels nice and heavy. It's got a little signature on it. It's got the little clear keycaps, man. I don't know what to complain about. It's got Gateron switches and a nice competitive price. You guys know YUNZII. You know they're good for it, man. So if you liked YUNZII, make sure to check out the link in the description for this if you're interested. Definitely get it. Highly recommend going straight on the keyboard wall. And also, I have a couple of old YUNZII videos, so if you like YUNZII, make sure to check those out and also watch my tech review playlist. Okay, bye bye. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you. You guys are awesome. Bye bye.